are going to have a very difficult situation for at least 18 to 24 months.
That was the global second-in-command for Big Four firm KPMG. From his office in the financial district in Hong Kong, just before Christmas, he spoke to the South China Morning Post chief business reporter Enoch Yu. As you've already heard, John Harrison did talk about the current financial crisis, but he also predicted that the outlook is not all doom and gloom.
I think the IPO market is going to be quiet for some time to come, whereas the M&A market, I think we'll start seeing people looking at opportunities as they see ability to bargain better, ability to get certain issues resolved more expediently at this time of trouble. And also as we see, certain people coming back into the market, perhaps the Japanese with the strength of their yen, perhaps some of the PE funds and sovereign wealth funds, seeing opportunities at these current price levels. Areas of opportunity for a professional advisory firm like ours at the moment are basically helping companies restructure, whether it's restructuring their debts or whether it's restructuring their organization. It's helping companies with cost optimization, business processes, helping companies review their strategies. So there's a number of areas, a number of support areas as well, because at these sort of times there's increased litigation, so there's more litigation support, forensic work. There's a lot of issues on valuations at the moment, impacting both our M&A business but also our audit business as well. So there's some growth areas for our practice as well as some areas which are likely to remain quiet for at least the next 12 months. At the moment, we have no plans for layoffs. Now, that may change as the market changes. We have to react accordingly. But there's lots of other things, lots of other tools that one can look at if the market sentiment is very quiet and there's a reduction in work. One can look at people having career breaks. One can look at people, having a change in their benefits. One can look at many other things before one has to actually look at layoffs. And that's something we advise to clients as well. We have always had a very strong view about being an employer of choice, looking after our people, and that's what we will want to do even through these difficult times. We will continue to hire. We must look not just at today and the next year. We've got to be looking at our business plans for 5+ years, and in time the economy will come back. In time we will need to have more qualified accountants and the like, and so it's important we continue to recruit some of the great graduates that the universities turn out, both here in Hong Kong and China, and develop those people for the future. I'm optimistic about the long-term future, so we will continue to be hiring significant numbers of graduates and a number of lateral hires of people with particular skill sets that focus on those issues that I mentioned in this current market environment.